Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're solving a definite integral. We have the integral from 1 to 2 of 3 over x squared minus 1 dx. Okay, as first steps we need to just remember how we solve a definite integral. We have that the integral from a to b of the function x times dx is equivalent to the primitive evaluated on b minus the primitive evaluated on a. Okay, let's find this original or primitive functions. In order to integrate this function easier and better, we will change it to 3 times x to the negative 2 minus 1 dx. Just in case you don't remember, a to the negative n is equals to 1 over a to the n. So we're just going backwards. Okay, let's continue the integration. We'll have 3 and x to the negative 2 plus 1, that is negative 1. And that will be divided by negative 1, which would just make negative. This 3 minus x. And this will be evaluated from 1 to 2. Okay, what do we need to do now? We need to evaluate the function in 2 and then subtract the function evaluated on 1. Okay, we'll have 3, in this case, over x will be over 2 minus 2 minus, and then we'll have negative 3 over 1 minus 1. If you're a little hesitant of where this over 2 came from, just look at this negative 1. X to the negative 1 is 1 over x, which is 1 over 2 on this case. Okay, let's continue solving this. Negative 3 halves minus 2. We know that 2 is 4 halves. So this will be negative 7 halves. This one here is 3 over 1. That's negative 3 minus 1. That's negative 4. Will be plus 4. And 4 and halves is 8 halves. So this basically is negative 7 halves plus 8 halves. This will be 1 half as an answer. Okay, thank you for watching. Remember, send your questions. Follow us on social media. We will be happy to help. And just keep going.